In today's video, we'll see how to do the plantain, that is raw banana 65. This dish is called raw banana 65. In a bowl, you add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon sambar powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix it nicely. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of oil and mix it thoroughly. Ensure that salt is as per your taste and mix it nicely. Pour the oil 1.5 teaspoon and then with a spoon mix it nicely so that the masala is mixed thoroughly with the salt and oil. Soak small lemon sized tamarind in hot water and extract the pulp and then add it to the mixture, and like it should be a smooth paste, it should not be very watery. Mix it nicely into a smooth paste. Now cut the raw banana plantain, that is in the sideways into a thick piece. You should not make it very thin. If you make it very thin, it'll chances are that it will break when you start frying it. So you cut it slightly thicker, close to 1 inch, and then spread the masala, soak in the masala, coat nicely both the sides, and soak and marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. If you cut very thin, then it starts breaking up when you soak it as well as when you fry it. So cut it at least on half an inch thick and 1 inch wide, and then soak it. This should get marinated. If you want, you can add little lemon juice, but I have not added lemon juice because tamarind is there. If you like lemon, you can add lemon. And in a shallow pan, you are not going to deep fry. We are not going to deep fry. We are going to only fry it, shallow fry it. So add 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil, and one by one you place the pieces gently on the tawa. And if the oil is not spreaded, just spread the oil so that it cooks well. Again, flip it and cook. It should be a little no, darker brown, and the stove should be very in a very low flame. It should not be high flame. High flame means it will burn outside, but inside it won't be cooked. So as much as low you keep the stove possible, and then fry it, flip it and cook it so that the outer coating it comes into a golden brown, and inside also it's like it will be very crispy outside and inside it will be soft. You should make it like that. and slowly remove it from the pan one by one. You can drain the oil and you can put it in a plate and you can have it as it is, or you can have make a dip and have it with it along with the dip. For making a dip, we will have to have this cheese spread, 2 tablespoons, and tandoori sauce or any sauce you have, either tandoori sauce or you can also use mayonnaise if you like, or you can use the pizza sauces, anything, any sauce which you like. Just take two tablespoons, and also add the Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons. Mix it nicely for the dip. If you're having a making a dip, it can be used as a snack. Otherwise, you can have it as a side dish for any South Indian curries like rasam, sambar. You can have it with rice. If you're making a dip, you can have it for your snack. The kids will really enjoy this snack. Either you can have the plain cheese spread or you can have the flavored cheese spread. It's all up to your choice. And you can also have the mayonnaise instead of the tandoori sauce. We can use other vegetables like yams, yam. You can make use it, or you can use potatoes. So this is very tasty and it's very like banana and yam. It's very good for health. So and the children will also like it. The people who don't like to eat the regular subjis of yam and plantain, we can make it like this. The kids will really love it. Could be like an evening snack. Garnish with curry leaves and coriander leaves and with lemon. If you like lemon, you can squeeze little lemon and have it. Uh, Very tasty and yummy and easy to make. Enjoy it.
Hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.